Myntri Rangbah Gajala Konrad Sangma ulong baka sarkar kanamap satya yaki brio kibdangti haki Pynbthei bom la kalong khandailat dani hakinu ni jaka jong Gajala. Haka jokopor Myntri Rangbah ola penpau ka sokomen baki pulit kla treshitom haka batang hapo kharat kanta Pynbthei bom lala ban kam yaki brio kibdangti haka ni kejingja. La ban kado hangne bahaka singi ublai ka bladab we ubam ID belakam bala Pynbthei de kasang agency ula Pynbthei hapo khandailat hajan ka dukan Delhi Mistan amsandan menuba masau hagani ke jengja leki pulit ke dia kamno ikit khot ka SNLC kan thopru yawe kusamla bahapo khaplasnem.
Yeah. No. So we have. I've just informed everybody that the police acted very swiftly, and within 12 hours of the incident taking place, the individuals concerned and involved in this were picked up, and more investigation is on. And I want to assure the people of the state that the police and the entire government machinery is working overtime on this, and all those people who are involved in this will not be spared. We will do everything that needs to be done to ensure that justice is done and no other incident like this should happen in the future. So government is very firm on it, and police is working overtime. And as I said, we have already caught the people who are involved, and more investigation is on. And within a few days, we will be revealing more information to the press and to the public.
So, like always, the opposition has started hammering the government, left, right, center, saying intelligence failure, this and that. What would you like to say at this moment?
You see, when we talk of intelligence, we get thousands of intelligence every day. It's a massive network of information that flows in. And the police and the government go through all this information and intel and act accordingly. And that is how a lot of things are stopped also. So therefore, while these kind of things are happening, nobody realizes the kind of intelligence that has come in, and because of which a lot of untoward incidents have been actually stopped. But yes, there are some times when some situations do happen, and it's unfortunate. But as I said, that when this also happened, the intelligence network that we had, and because of all the information we had, we were able to pick up the concerned person in a very, very short time. So therefore, the intelligence department and the police department are working very well. They have all the information. And as I said, but intel is such a massive word that intelligence has to also be filtered. And therefore, sometimes there are these unfortunate incidents that do happen. But it would be unfair to simply say that there's a failure just because of one incident that happened, whereas the 99.9 incidents that are avoided because of the strong intelligence network that is there, which never people don't realize it. But that's how departments work. But yes, in the future, the government will do its very best to ensure that no such incidents should happen. And I'm going to assure the people of the state that we will do everything in our capacity to ensure that peace is restored and no such incidents should take place in the future. Right, sir?